The holiday season is a time of joy, celebration, and, often, unwanted weight gain. Rich foods, festive treats, and less structured routines can easily lead to extra pounds. But don't let the holiday cheer derail your health goals. This video will equip you with 5 simple, practical tips to help you navigate the festive season and enjoy the holidays without the extra weight. We'll explore strategies for mindful eating, incorporating protein, staying hydrated, smart snacking, and maintaining physical activity, all while still embracing the spirit of the season. Get ready to celebrate healthily and happily. Mindful eating is key to avoiding holiday weight gain. It's about paying attention to your body's hunger and fullness cues, not just mindlessly eating. Before you reach for a second helping, ask yourself, am I truly hungry, or am I eating out of habit or boredom? Focus on savoring each bite, chewing slowly, and noticing the flavors and textures of your food. Smaller portions on larger plates can also create the illusion of a larger serving. By tuning into your body's signals and practicing mindful eating techniques, you can enjoy holiday treats without overindulging. Protein is your secret weapon against holiday overeating. Unlike carbohydrates and fats, protein takes longer to digest, keeping you feeling fuller for longer and reducing the urge to snack between meals. This helps control your overall calorie intake, preventing those extra pounds from creeping on. Fortunately, many holiday dishes naturally incorporate protein. Think lean meats like turkey or chicken breast, fish, legumes like lentils or beans in side dishes, and even nuts and seeds sprinkled on salads or desserts. By prioritizing protein, you can satisfy your hunger and stay on track with your weight goals. Often mistaken for hunger, dehydration can actually leave you feeling sluggish and craving food. Staying well hydrated is crucial for managing your appetite and boosting your metabolism. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps you feel full, especially before meals, reducing your tendency to overeat. Water also helps your body process food more efficiently, aiding in digestion and metabolism. So, keep a water bottle handy and sip on it regularly, particularly before indulging in holiday feasts. You'll be surprised how much it helps curb those cravings and keeps your energy levels up. Smart snacking is all about making strategic choices to keep your energy levels stable and prevent overeating at larger meals. Instead of reaching for sugary treats, opt for snacks that are both satisfying and nutritious. Think about a handful of almonds or walnuts, a piece of fruit like an apple or pear, or a small container of Greek yogurt. These snacks provide sustained energy, preventing those mid-afternoon or pre-dinner hunger pangs that often lead to unhealthy choices. By making smart snacking decisions, you'll feel better equipped to handle those holiday feasts without overindulging. Don't let the holiday hustle and bustle derail your fitness routine. Maintaining physical activity during the holidays is crucial for burning extra calories and boosting your metabolism. You don't need intense workouts, even short bursts of activity can make a difference. A brisk walk after a holiday meal, a quick yoga session in the morning, or even a dance party with family can help you stay active. Incorporate short bursts of activity throughout your day. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, walk to a nearby store, or do some simple stretches during TV commercial breaks. Staying active doesn't have to disrupt your holiday celebrations, it can enhance them. Let's look at a sample meal plan that incorporates the tips we've discussed. Start your day with a protein-rich breakfast like Greek yogurt with berries. For lunch, choose a salad with lean protein like grilled chicken or fish. At holiday gatherings, prioritize lean meats and load up on vegetables. Don't deprive yourself entirely of treats, enjoy a small portion of your favorite dessert mindfully. Between meals, opt for healthy snacks like fruits, vegetables, or nuts. Remember, it's about balance. Enjoy the festive food while making conscious choices to maintain a healthy eating pattern. This approach ensures you enjoy the holidays without compromising your health goals. Holiday gatherings are filled with tempting treats, making it challenging to stick to your healthy eating plan. However, you can navigate these situations successfully. Before attending parties, eat a light, protein-rich meal or snack to reduce intense hunger. At the party, focus on healthier options and take smaller portions of indulgent foods. Don't feel obligated to try everything, choose a few items you truly want to savor. Engage in conversations and activities to distract yourself from constantly thinking about food. Remember, one small indulgence won't derail your progress. The key is moderation and mindful choices. The holidays are a time for joy and celebration, and that includes enjoying delicious food. It's perfectly possible to savor the festive flavors without sacrificing your health. The key is to find a balance. Don't deprive yourself completely. Instead, make conscious choices to enjoy treats in moderation. Focus on nourishing meals and prioritize protein and hydration. Remember, one unhealthy meal won't undo all your hard work. Embrace a balanced approach and enjoy the festive season without the guilt of overindulgence. It's about making mindful choices that support both your physical and mental well-being. To recap, we've explored 5 simple yet effective strategies to maintain your health this holiday season: mindful eating, prioritizing protein, staying hydrated, smart snacking, and staying active. By incorporating these tips into your holiday routine, you can enjoy the festive season without the added weight. Remember, it's about making conscious, healthy choices that support your overall well-being. Don't let holiday temptations derail your progress. Embrace a balanced approach to food and activity, and enjoy a healthy and happy holiday season. Make a commitment to prioritize your health this year. You deserve it.